Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Sales Tip of the Week. I am David Lewis. The creative and successful salesperson is aware of how important the economic climate is at the time if they want to really know how best to help their customers. In times of great prosperity, during a booming or stable economy, people become more imaginative and are willing to stretch themselves to achieve a certain sense of lifestyle they admire or dream about for themselves and their family. On the other hand, during times of economic stress or difficulties in the marketplace, necessity usually takes precedence. This is when tightening the belt and being as wise as possible in the financial decisions they make take priority over fun and frolic and throwing caution to the wind. In the aftermath of over 2 years of COVID-19 and the lockdowns that changed our whole way of life for most people, making expensive purchasing decisions will depend primarily on life use rather than lifestyle. Since most people are not independently wealthy with little to worry about as far as money is concerned, buying a new car in the current economy will likely be an act of necessity rather than just a momentary fancy they might soon regret. As a salesperson trying to stay afloat yourself, discerning how to help the customer find the right vehicle to meet their needs and keep them moving forward in the game of life will be your best strategy for earning their business and the best solution for keeping you earning your living at the same time. In this business, you only make money if you make sales. And in this economy, you only make sales if you genuinely help your customer accomplish their purchasing goals. Always remember that value is remembered long after price. So here is the sales tip of the week. Take the time to find out what life use you can help your customers achieve with their vehicle purchase. Do that and they will appreciate your effort and will then more than likely buy the car from you.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.